Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am taking here addition of fractions. First I am taking here addition of like fractions. First example in that 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15, as these are like fractions, both the denominators are same. How to do this? First you have to take LCM of denominators, as here 15 and here also 15. So LCM of 15 and 15 will be 15 only. After that add numerators. So 8 plus 3. What will be here? 8 plus 3 will be 11. And here in denominator 15. So your answer will be 11 by 15. Come to next. Here again LCM of all three denominators, as 11, 11, 11 only. So LCM will be 11. Okay. Add numerators. So 5 plus 4 plus 2 will be 11 by 11. 5 plus 4 plus 2 will be 11. Denominator again 11. As you got here 11 by 11, you can get 11 ones are 11 ones are. So your answer will be 1 by 1 is only 1. Next, addition of unlike fractions. Now first one example, 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. You all can see here these are unlike fractions. Why? Because denominators are different. In this example, you have to take LCM of both the denominators. So you can take LCM by the method you have learned, that LCM method. How you are doing that? Suppose I am taking here 10, first one denominator, and second denominator is 15. So solve this. What you will get? 2 here, 2 5s are 15 as it is. Then after that 3, 5 will be as it is, and 3 5s are, after that 5. So what will be LCM? LCM will be 5 3s are 50, 15 2s are 30. So LCM will be 30. Okay. This is one method to take out LCM. But if your denominators are small, I will suggest you another method that I am going to tell now, that by taking out common multiples. Okay. So 10's table and 15's table, both you know that. What is 10's table? 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Okay. 15's table, 15, 30 and so on. Okay. What is the first common multiple in 10's and 15's table? 30. So what will be the LCM? 30. Okay. These two methods I have told now. This is first one method and this is second method. But I will suggest you all that when denominators are small, you know about the tables, then you use this for small denominators. Yes, if denominators are large one, then you can use this method. Okay. Now in this method, second method, no need to write every time this table and all. In your mind only you can decide that yes, 10 and 15. So in 10's table, what is the 10's and 15's table? What is the common number? It is 30. So you will write here LCM is equals to 30. Now for LCM, I have told you two methods. Whichever you will feel easy, you can apply that method. Now, how to solve after getting LCM? How to solve? There are also two methods are there. First one method I am going to tell. First method. In first method, first I am changing these two fractions from unlike fractions to the like fractions. How? I got LCM 30. So in denominator I am going to make here 30. How it is? 3 by 10. First fraction I have taken 3 by 10. Okay, I want here 30. So I will multiply this by 3 in denominator. So multiply by the same number in numerator also. What you will get here? 3 3s are 9 by 30. Second fraction is here 7 by 15. Okay. Again in denominator I want here 30, so I will multiply here by 2 because 15 to the 30. As I am multiplying in denominator by 2, I will multiply by the same number in numerator also. So what I will get here? 14 by 30. Okay. Now add it. 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15 is equals to, instead of 3 by 10, what I will write now? 9 by 30. See here, unlike fractions, we have changed that fraction into the like fraction. 7 by 15, what is there? Plus 14 by 30. Now you can see here, these unlike fractions change to like fraction. Now we can add it easily. So LCM will be 30 and 30. LCM of 30 and 30 will be 30. Add numerators 9 plus 14. Okay. What you will get? 23 by 30. So the answer you got 23 by 30. Now second method. LCM is 30. LCM we are writing in denominator. So I have written here 30. Okay. Now first fraction, see here first fraction 3 by 10. By which number you are multiplying this 10 to get 30? By 3. Isn't it? 10 into 3. You will get 30. So 10 into 3. So you will multiply by 3 to numerator also. So what you will get? 3 into 3. I will write here 3 into 3. Okay. Middle sign plus. Second one fraction. Now 15 to the 30. 15 into 2. That is 15 to the 30. So by 2 you are multiplying to this 15. Therefore you have to multiply by 2 in numerator also. So it will be 7 into 2. What you will get here? 3 into 3 is 9 plus in numerator 7 into 2 14. What you will write in denominator? 30 as it is. So what you will get here? 9 plus 14 is 23 by 30. Got it? When you will well practiced of this, you can skip this one step also. What you will do here then? You will write LCM as 30 here. Okay? Then directly consider in your mind 10 3s are 30. Therefore 3 3s are 9. Write here directly 9. 15 2s are 30. So 7 2s are 14. Write here directly. So after getting well practiced, you can skip this one. You can skip this one step also and write there the direct this step. So you will get the quick answer. Next, these are unlike fractions. First you have to take out LCM of denominators. What are the denominators here? 3, 4 and 2. I told you in second method, if small denominators are there, you can take out by the multiple method. So what will be the common multiple? First one common multiple in 3, 4 and 2 table. It will be 12. Got it? Now what you will? We will do this sum by the second method. Okay? So I will write here denominator 12. Now first fraction is 2 by 3. By which number to this 3 you are multiplying? So you will get 12. 3 4s are 12. Isn't it? Therefore here also by which number? 3 into 4 you are doing. Therefore you will write here also 2 into 4. Plus. Now 4 3s are 12. Therefore here 3 into 3 because 4 into 3 you are doing for 12. Okay. Therefore 3 into 3. Next time plus. Now here 2. By which number you will multiply to get 12? 2 6 are 12. Therefore 1 into 6. Got it? Now here 4 2s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 into 6 is 6 by 12. So 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 6 will be 23. 23 by 12 is the answer. I hope you all understood addition of fractions. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.